Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to send an email message to someone using your phone. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel and video. Now let's get started. To send an email message, go to your Gmail and select the Compose button at the bottom right. Then put your email address at the top after the word from, so that the person can know who the email is from. Then you put the person email address that you are sending the email message to. Then put the subject of what the email is all about. Then type out the message. Then when you finish, press the send button at the top right to send the email message. So that's how to send an email message to someone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.